Alright. Start pulling out. Take everything out. Thank you. No, take the other stuff off first. Take the box off. Yeah, take that off.
It's too heavy.
You got it.
What is this? Gosh. You dropped your thing again.
Okay.
What are you doing? Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming it, Aiden.
Oh.
Jeez, dude.
I thought we were going time.
No, I'm trying to. We need to take everything out.
Well, this won't be in the video, right?
Aiden, this is our own video, so we can pack it back up.
Oh.
If I don't know how he took it out of the box, I have no idea how to put it back together.
Looks like the pants can be pants in space, kind of. Or it looks like it. This foam. Dang, man, they're really. I'm trying to make this like a little one. Well,
Alright, we're getting it all out.
seriously, nothing's in here. Oh, dang, your hands are cool.
Alright, just set it to the side somewhere.
This box
Alright.
No. I'm gonna break this. There we go.
Wow, that's a big broom. Alright. Close.
The hat.
That.
Dang, man, this thing's huge. Fucking huge. The huge clothes.
Outfit.
Thing's huge in this thing. What is this?
I think that's just pushing. I don't think there's anything in there. Just leave it there.
Oh, it's something in there.
Alright, pull like that piece out.
This piece.
Alright. Is there anything in that, or is it just pushing?
There's something in this.
Doing a video.
Yes, I remember doing a quick video. This is just unpacking stuff.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Like
Alright.
the adapters.
Adapters, part K. Alright. Alright, that's it. Let's get the building.